Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is, did you hear that cries? Did you hear that cries? क्या तुमने वो चीखें सुनी? Second, I had a scary dream last night. I had a scary dream last night. मैंने पिछली रात एक ड्राउना ख्वाब देखा. 3, my voice is trembling cause of losing confidence. My voice is trembling cause of losing confidence. एतमाद खोने की वजह से मेरी आवाज़ कांप रही है. 4, he peed on the bed. He peed on the bed. उसने बिस्तर पर पेशाब कर दिया. पीड कहते हैं पेशाब करना, जो पानी वाला होता है उसे. 5, pleased to meet you. आप ये भी कह सकते हैं pleased to meet you और nice to meet you भी कह सकते हैं कि आपसे मिलकर मुझे अच्छा लगा. तो pleased to meet you, nice to meet you. 6, he couldn't go there. He couldn't go there. वो वहाँ नहीं जा सका. 7, I fumble while speaking English. I fumble while speaking English. मैं इंग्लिश बोलते बोलते अटक जाता हूँ. फंबल का मतलब अटकना. 8, don't push me. Don't push me. मुझे धक्का मत दो. 9, I gave alms to that beggar. I gave alms to that beggar. मैंने उस भिखारी को भीख दी. beggar भिखारी, alms भीख. The last one is 10. This is out of my control. This is out of my control. ये मेरे काबू से बाहर है. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.